time on this very simple, fundamental question. Ikaw ba si Guo Huaping?
Madam Chair, hindi ko po kino-confirm at may kaso na po sa akin sinampa. Sasagutin ko po sa korte po.
Madam Chair,
Well,
may I
yes, Senjoro, one related question.
Madam Chair, may I invoke? I am not going to invoke or raise a point of order, but may I invoke Section 19 of our Senate rules, which states the privilege against self-incrimination. A witness can only invoke his right or her right to self-incrimination, Madam Chair, only when a question which tends to elicit an answer that will incriminate him or her is propounded to her. However, Madam Chair, the witness or the resource person may offer to answer any question in an executive session. So I would just like to invoke that, Madam Chair, because the chairperson already stated that it will not in any way incriminate her, Madam Chair. Just to put that on record.
Salamat, Sen Joel. Exactly. So, inulit, no? Yung sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina, di naman kayo mai-incriminate, simpleng tanong kung sino ka. And additionally, unless hihingi pa tayo ng executive session, no? Lilipat pa kami kasama nyo sa ibang kwarto para lang masagot nyo sino ba kayo talaga or palalabasin ng chair lahat ng mga taong ito para lang